Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to delete the header from your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you want to get started with logging into your account. So if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page where your website is, and where at the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with deleting our header. This is what we want to do. Here at the left side screen, we want to find the appearance option. Click appearance right here, put your mouse on appearance, and this is going to open up this new drop-down menu with multiple options, and you want to click editor. So clicking the editor option is going to open up this editor mode for our website, where we can get started managing how our pages looks. So we can find everything we have right here. As you can see at the top of the page, we have our header and so on. So we can go ahead and click on it. So by clicking on it, it's now going to go ahead and enable us to select our header right here. So what you want to do is select it, guys. After selecting it, it's going to go ahead and open up this menu, the right side of the screen, where you can take a look at what you're selecting. So you can see you have the option for your selectment right here, and you can choose what you're selecting. So here's the header, guys. As you can see, we are choosing the area we are selecting, and now what we can do, guys, is remove it. So basically, after we have selected our header, by double clicking on it, this is now going to enable us to manage our header. And as you can see, now we can remove the design. Basically, you want to select some design, you want to remove everything you have right here, delete everything you have, and remove everything you have from your header. So this is automatically going to delete your header from your website, as you'll have no content, so there's not going to be anything that you can click on the header. So once you're satisfied and you have removed everything, guys, as you can take a look here right here, remove the position and so on. Once you're satisfied, just click the save button in the upper right corner, and this is automatically going to apply that new header, and you will have no header for your website. So that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.